Hello, you're watching SniffleShortNews, and I'm your anchor, Sydney. Today, we will be having a segment called Sneak Peek in Santa's Workshop, where we will be taking you down to Santa's workshop to show some of the elves wrapping some of your Christmas presents. Let's head down to Santa's workshop.
Hi, my name is Emery, and welcome to Santa's workshop. And I've been helping the elves wrapping a lot of gifts. I'm right next to where I thought my high school girlfriend. Back to you in the studios.
Thanks, Emery. And now we're going to be doing our next and last segment, which is going to be called Tacky Christmas Lights. We had some people out in the fields last night, and we got some clips of some very, very tacky Christmas lights.
Look at those houses.
They have 4 blow-ups in the jar.
Oh my god. They have like that's crazy.
Whoa!
What's the color? Look at the dichotomy, guys.
Oh, that is
Right there.
awesome!
And lit up. It just keeps on going.
Oh my god. Look at this house. Look at the car.
Oh my god.
Okay, this wins. This wins.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Did I say peace on earth? Oh my goodness. Oh, they have presents under it. That's cool.
Those were some tacky Christmas lights. And that was this week's newscast on Sniffle Short News. See you next week.